Okay, so I've got a gaming headset here. I think it's good to show you exactly what you get. So I'm going to have a look at this for you now and see how it comes to you as a customer. So there's a number of color options available in this. You can see it slides out as such. And there's some documentation in here, which nobody really wants to worry about. However, CD and a guide, the standard. I want to put it on my head and see what it looks like. So give me a couple of seconds. Music, glittering game, adjustable microphone, soft earpads, 3-meter cable, and a USB plug. So that looks very enticing indeed. So let's check this bad boy out, shall we? Apologies for the noise. Okay, here we go. So let's see what we get. Ooh. Matches my shirt. Not too shabby at all. What I will do is I will plug it in so you can actually see what it sounds like. Give me a second. So right there you can see it's got a name on there, and the microphone is very sturdy. It's got a model number SA903 and a microphone there as well. They felt very comfortable. There's additional padding up here, you can see there, and if you have a slightly bigger head, you've got the adjustability here. So you've got a slightly bigger. Let me show you in comparison to my head. So you'll see there's quite a bit of space up top. But yeah, again, that's how they look. Very big. It feels like a pilot headset, as in pilot. When I say pilot, I mean pilot. So let me plug this in. Let me let you listen what it sounds like. Okay, so I've plugged in the headset and you are hearing me on the actual headset right now. So this is what the headset sounds like. How does it sound? You can hear a direct comparison there. I did notice on the remote control on the cable, it's about quite further away from the cable, and the remote is here. So you can see how far from the cable the remote is. You've got a little button. When you push it, it mutes and a red light comes on. You've got up and down control and a speaker control. I just heard the music from it and it sounds quite good. It's got a nice amount of bass. For the price, I'm actually quite surprised of the quality of this. It is slightly bigger. However, this is the mic. You can hear exactly how it sounds. So what do you think about this? Could it be a good option for you? Seems like a option.